What's up guys, I'm Parker York Smith. Welcome back to Dress Smarter, where today we're going over 5 suiting mistakes and how to fix them. So you spent some money on a nice suit. Now you just have to make sure that you're not making any of these mistakes and dragging your look down. The solutions are easy, but you have to know what you're looking for. Let's get into it. So first up is not removing stitching and forgetting to open closed pockets. You always want to be sure that you open up your breast pocket and remove the stitching there, as well as on the vents of your jacket. Sometimes you'll see stitching on the shoulder. You can remove that as well. Mistake number 2 is not getting your suit tailored. It should go without saying that as soon as you get a new suit, you have got to visit your tailor. It makes a huge difference. We made a whole video about getting your suit tailored. Make sure you check it out. We will link it below. Number 3 is wearing the wrong shoes. Nothing is gonna bring down your look like a bad pair of shoes. Be sure that you're wearing the right style for the occasion, and also make sure that they're in good shape and they have a nice shine. Mistake number 4 is wearing too many accessories. I see this one a lot. A great rule of thumb is to just limit yourself to 1, maybe 2. So a tie bar and a pocket square, and you're good to go. And finally, number 5 is buttoning the bottom button. I see this one way too much. It's probably my biggest pet peeve. You should never, ever, under any circumstance, be buttoning the bottom button of your jacket. And there you go. Those are 5 suiting mistakes and how to fix them. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Hit the bell icon if you want to be notified every single time we drop a new video. My name is Parker York Smith. This has been Dress Smarter, and we will see you next time.